Welcome everyone in this video. Do you know what will happen if the earth gravity was half? We will know about this topic in this video, so let's begin the video. Let's understand how halving gravity would affect our life. The biggest impact would be on our bodies. People might grow taller and possibly have weaker muscles and bones due to reduced gravitational force. Physical activities would require less effort. The atmosphere might become thinner, leading to lower oxygen levels and affecting weather patterns. Buildings and structures could be taller and lighter, as they would need to support less weight. Plants and trees might grow taller, animal adaptations would change, with many species potentially evolving differently to cope with the reduced gravity. Objects would have lower escape velocities, making it easier and less energy intensive to launch spacecraft. Rivers and oceans would behave differently, potentially affecting erosion and sediment depositions patterns. Overall, halving Earth's gravity would lead to a radically other planet with diverse implications for life, technology, and the environment. This change could be both exciting and challenging. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comment what other topics would you like to see videos on.